Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is the 25th memorial anniversary of the genocide that took place in Srebrenica. I remember the day very well. I remember when it happened. Along with most people who have feelings of humanity, we were shocked. We were appalled that how in what was a safe haven of the United Nations peacekeeping force, how in a safe haven this massacre was allowed to take place. We were all shocked, even when I still remember 25 years ago when it happened. I still feel the shock, how such a thing could have been allowed by the world community. I think it's important for us to learn lessons from that. The world community must never allow such things to happen again. We see problems for the people of Kashmir. 800,000 Indian troops have besieged 8 million people of Kashmir, and we all fear that a similar sort of massacre might follow there. So the world community must take notice and never allow such acts to take place again. From the people of Pakistan, I send my salams and best wishes to the people of Bosnia.